Hey everybody, it's Kate. I'm reporting live from Connecticut. And yes, I do happen to be in a bathroom. It's the only place that had sufficient light. What up? Anyway, it's been 2 days and I'm still burned up about the decision in US versus Comstock. Please note my hat. Yes, I'm agreeing with Scalia. This is horrible. Moving along. Anyway, quick recap for those of you averse to my ranting. In this case, the court ruled that states have the constitutional authority to indefinitely confine any prisoner judged to be sexually dangerous, even after that prisoner has already finished serving his court-ordered sentence. Locking up sex offenders? Great. Troubling implications for individual rights? Kind of. Anyway, I was wondering what could have possibly motivated the court to make such a sweeping decision. And John's post on lies, damned lies, and the people who believe them, it got me thinking about public perceptions. And some of the ultimate media fear-mongering is over sex offenders. Think about it. Pedophiles are the people that it's universally okay to hate, and they could be after your children right now. Datelines to Catch a Predator and like those wacko jacko headlines, those made millions of dollars. So I'm kind of wondering if the court buys into this culture of fear-mongering. I'm wondering if this could have subtly influenced their decisions, because some previous Supreme Court decisions involving sexual predators and children, like the child porn ruling in Oyas versus Ohio, have drawn a lot of criticism, and here we are again with the Protect the Children ruling. It's so extensive that people whose crimes have nothing to do with sex offenses or pedophilia, but who commit offenses like maybe in prison with an element of sexual violence, they could be locked up for the rest of their lives on the strength of this ruling. It's crazy. So, was the majority decision motivated by this paranoia we have over the heinous crime of pedophilia? I don't know. I'm just a sellout paralegal studying for the LSATs here, people. But after I hopefully get into law school, and I mean, maybe one day in the future, arguing before the Supreme Court, what I want to propose when I get there is that the court should specifically consider the issue of pedophilia and determine if something about the nature of the crime means that the power of the states to regulate is expanded. Because the court did something similar in regard to racism. In Caroline Products, the court determined that discrimination against discrete and insular minority groups runs so far contrary to the ethos of our Constitution that any state law that can perpetuate such discrimination deserves strict scrutiny in determining whether the law should be overturned. We could do something on the flip side here and suggest that pedophilia is such a despicable crime that the states deserve expanded power to regulate against it. However, once we flip the situation and expand the state's power to regulate, we run into that pesky issue that everyone, even criminals, has constitutional right. Does being a pedophile make you forfeit your rights? I'm inclined to say no, but just paralegal here. I have no idea. And I'm going to turn this over to you guys. What do you think?